Hey kids, meet Whiskers and Paws, our cool cats who love to play dress up. Today, they're going to help us learn all about clothes and accessories. First, let's see Whiskers put on his shirt. Can you say shirt? Great job. A shirt keeps us warm and looks nice. Now it's Paws' turn. Paws loves his pants. Can you say pants? Awesome. Pants cover our legs and help us look stylish. Whiskers found his favorite hat. Can you say hat? Hats are so fun to wear, especially when it's sunny outside. Paws is putting on his shoes. Can you say shoes? Shoes protect our feet and help us walk comfortably. Look at Whiskers with his scarf. Can you say scarf? Scarves keep our necks warm when it's cold. Paws loves to wear his jacket. Can you say jacket? Jackets are great for keeping us warm and cozy. Whiskers is wearing his socks now. Can you say socks? Socks keep our feet warm and comfy inside our shoes. Look at Paws with his gloves. Can you say gloves? Gloves keep our hands warm and are super helpful in winter. Whiskers has put on his belt. Can you say belt? Belts help keep our pants up and add a nice touch to our outfit. Paws is showing us his watch. Can you say watch? Watches help us know the time and look really cool. Whiskers is ready with his sunglasses. Can you say sunglasses? Sunglasses protect our eyes from the sun and make us look cool. Paws loves his backpack. Can you say backpack? Backpacks are great for carrying our books and toys. Whiskers found his tie. Can you say tie? Ties are fancy and look great with shirts for special occasions. Paws is wearing his raincoat. Can you say raincoat? Raincoats keep us dry when it rains. Whiskers has his boots on. Can you say boots? Boots are perfect for rainy or snowy days to keep our feet dry. Paws is ready with his hoodie. Can you say hoodie? Hoodies are comfy and have hoods to keep our heads warm. Great job, kids. Now you know all about clothes and accessories with Whiskers and Paws. Keep practicing these words and have fun dressing up.